Zen, Namaste. No, I'm joking. Just joking. Now we're in Bali, Indonesia. My name is Shaka Maidoh, one half of artcomesfirst.
Yeah, this is Sam Lambert. We all have artcomesfirst in Indonesia, Bali. It's been a great trip. We came here, obviously, we love culture. We've seen a lot on that side of things. Also, it's an amazing place for craft. Locals that really know how to use their hand. So we basically came here to see what can we do in terms of our work. See what the product they are manufacturing or making for other people, or what the local skills we can use back to our work. Really, basically, what we do.
So we came here as what you call work holiday. So the intention is to come here and do some work and soak up the inspiration around the place.
Yeah. There've been a lot of great people telling us about you should check Bali for this or for that, holiday reasons or garment reason, but like for us to be able to come in and really see for ourselves and make a great connection with people, we're actually considering to look into doing major projects here in the future. And I think it was obvious, like people were sending us here for a reason. At the minute, we just getting our jewelry done here, so all this metal stuff you're seeing is being made here now. So this is the next step for ACF heavy metal work, but there'll be much more of that. So that might even switch into ACF heavy mental work, because this place is really into that spiritual mentors.
Yeah, it was amazing. I mean, we're vegans anyway, so we've been vegetarian vegans for like 20 years. So one of our struggles or challenges is when we travel, we always have issues and that has been surplus here. Like there's been no problem. So there's loads of vegan options, loads of vegetarians, loads of vegan people all over the place. As far as connecting with people, amazing. We've been spending time with a friend's family who introduced us to loads of people, and we bumped into friends been hitting us up, introduced us to key people, who then introduced us to more key people. I mean, as yourself, you came over from Jakarta just to hang out with us. So it's been an amazing trail of connection.
Yeah, I think it's probably true what people say. Like we all like kids of a planet, but Bali, I think it brought all of us together. Like literally every single stop and every single person we met, it meant something to us, and it linked us to your next person or to your next thing. So actually, the whole reason we ended up in Bali was because the first connection we did in London and Paris. And by being here, being able to reconnect and connect with all the new energies, it's just been really great. So heading home now with a lot of energy. Obviously, as you can see, we're at the airport right now. Yes. Traveling tailors, we never stop traveling, but we're going back home with so much energy now. And we've had all the positive vibes here.
Yeah, I mean, like they say, your vibe attracts your tribe, and we definitely found our tribe in Bali.
Yeah, like we big heavy punk heads. Like we go deep into the whole straight edge here, like being vegan, not eating meat, not eating dairy products, not taking drugs. And one of our big favorite sort of punk movement is straight edge. People knew from the past, they never glorify all this drug stuff. Everything is really, you can have fun by being yourself, being clean. But one of the main things, one of our favorite bands, they used to say, like bad brands, it was PMA, positive mental attitude. And I think Bali right now has a new name for us. This is the home of PMA, literally, like this is swear.
Yeah, you definitely see us next year. We're coming back for the production of our jewelry.
Yeah.
But on top of that, we've been looking into production here on a bigger scale, like Sam said earlier. So yeah, you definitely see us back.
So definitely to every Bali habitant, every native Bali, we just want to say Sukhtuma. Really been a great fucking time here.
Hi, my name is Shaka Maidoh, one half of artcomesfirst, and this is Globetrotter.
Yeah, this is Sam Lambert, artcomesfirst, Globetrotter, Bali.